Dr. Marion from Shift Your Life here. Today we're going to talk about vibration. You know, at any given moment, your vibration is communicating with the universe, and it helps you in manifestation. It helps you in your health and every aspect of your life. So let's try to raise your vibration here with some singing bowls. Open your hearts. Set your intention. Feel the harmonics. If it's possible, sit in silence for a couple minutes so your body can absorb it. Very important. You need the passive phase and the active phase. And for more about sound healing, metaphysics, and how to shift your life, go to shiftyourlife.com. We have the tools.